July ni som pan hi sang ni som hi paruk ani breaking news om tlat mai ni Strait of Hormuz khar chung chang te Iran in longa ka pa India mi te pon lo te la mu an la ni lo ni ti ang civil te news atam khop maya heng te hi tu nai henin kan ron ri kan ron puang anga chumi ma chon he kan in ho photang
tunlai khovela zirna tha hi zirlai tinin an mamole an nakin hun shil tu poi mo ber ani Mizoram a zirna changtlung le tha petrin ikfa university Mizoram chuan management information technology social science le humanities program frangshanga admission na hongle ta semester tina zirlai ti thaswal te na NJY merit scholarship petrin ania tin force me nu le pa ni tan an first semester fee army scholarship 50% discount siam tharpok ani library thatak ba ka computer geography hospitality and tourism laboratory changtlung takom bok zirlai te India rama company le hotel tak tak baka foreign placement le internship nei puichin anni company thatak taka anzir lai zorwala na munghala nom nual bok experience an nei theinan industrial visit study tour socio economic survey le soft skills training te nei puichin anni thiamna le degree mai baka sortak ni tura zirlai te chersiam na hun ikfa university a hian admission ron ti bero le application form le dutan ikfa university campus dutlang north le city office chanmari baka university website ate ngai ven theireng ani
Oh, Ikfa University adu son in admission. Hello, hanti treu do dania riekang. Let's go.
I want to bring you some breaking news out of Iran. IRGC, that is the Revolutionary Guards of Iran, has declared the Strait of Hormuz closed until further notice.
Thule ha omle ma chu tu na tang hian in Strait of Hormuz khar ani tin Iran Revolutionary Guard Corps Iran sipaiten an ron puang le tha ani he thil hi chuan in oil man te bungroman tam tak man aron ti sang le anga khovel economy market sumdon a shim hi a thalo zong in ron ngong le don ti a chiang ani Iran hian in hetiang hi anti theiti anin hrechiang to sia an ron khar le mak tamai tu na hian
That's after it fired a warning shot at a ship attempting to transit the strait on what it called an unapproved route.
An ma ni kalkong approve nilawa long pakhat kaltlang thum kha warning shot an va peya warning na atan an vaka pani an vaka phukher lawang amaro chu kha long kha ikal na ko nga diklo tin warning pa in an vaka pa khamin hu khan Strait of Hormuz an khar zui da ani.
Now, the IRGC says the ship stopped after the warning shot. It has gone on to say that no ship will be permitted to transit the strait until, quote, the end of U.S. interference in the region.
Kha niya boy kha ma Iran lampang hianin United States te Middle East atanga an in here fithlim ma chu le emo United States te Middle East an in roll chung hi chu Middle East an ron in roll chung hi chu Strait of Hormuz hi kan hong to lawang kan khar char charang ti in Iran sipai te hian ron puang ani turu rem khop mai he thila hemo.
It's also issued a warning to Washington saying if the U.S. uses this incident as a pretext, it will be met with a severe response.
United States in he thil kan ti hi keimani min ron be le miron ka na tur chuan lama an mang ani chuan a ayana le aya puizokin kan ron chang let veang tin Iran te hian in US ne na warning an pengal bokani kha thil kha Strait of Hormuz tun maya an khar chung chang ani news dot le kan kal le halang
in February. Lucas Tomlinson is live from Tel Aviv. He has
Hey apoy mo khome Iran's new supreme leader vows to avenge Father's Day ti himo he Fox News to lopon Al Jazeera English te po khanin an mani community post a hanaron post ani he thila hi apoy mo an supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei kha an vui zo chi ani khame an vui zo chi ti mera an la vui me ka ti chuan afapa Mostabek Khamenei tuna Iran supreme leader thar hianin kapatan phuba kan lange ngei don aron ti ani zia chu United States le Iran in biak na te po hi engma lo maya achang don ni na langa Iran ina United States te hatianga an bia Iran Iowa Pakistan vazin te khang zong te kha Iran hianin an mani tan hianin ting hian hunanin leisak anga sipai te an hanin thuam thanga missile ka chuana te tikhanin an han repair ve langa tin an supreme leader hetianga an vui zo hnuwa US te nen hianin indo na te hi chunzom le an du awang khan khatiang khan deal siam tum omang deuh te khanin an lo om mai ani thei deuh reuh ni te pon alang to ani tuna hian mo chuwan chonin Iran supreme leader thar hianin kapatan phuba kan na don aron ti mau mai sia chutianga a soi piala ma chon hei Strait of Hormuz te kha an khar le mak to box sia chuwan chonin US ne na indo hi an chau zek ni hianin alang ani news le kan kal leang
And beginning with some breaking news coming in, viewers, US Central Command says that it has completed a third round of strikes
Iran atho thumnan United States lampanginan Mizo chi abokane
against Iran. These strikes have been carried out for Iran's attacks on commercial ships in the Strait of Hormuz. The CENTCOM statement said that the US forces hit approximately 140 Iranian military targets from land.
Iranian target za somli chuang US an banghian an beya chuanin longa train an beiti chiang bokani chuanin jet fighter vel chon manglawa amaro chu eta khomola changte pon an beya US hianin an be na sakhop mai ni Iran hituna hian mo ti chuan United States lampang hian te hian atho thumna atan Iran hian be zo le ta han bom zo le ta ani a United States lampang hianin Iran drone sites drone an ka chuan munte tin an mani le an manin lawin ven na mun tur omang chi an air defense system te chungba ka chuanin an missile ka chuan te tin an mani sipai mun poimo tak tak te pokha CENTCOM lampang hianin kan kapfu tin hian breaking news kan lo hre thei ta ani
Land and sea-based fighter aircraft, drones, and naval vessels. CENTCOM confirmed that targets included Iranian missile and drone sites, ammunition storage facilities.
Silai mu, hey, missile ang chi te pokha tingan da that na song pokha United States lampang hianin an bom sakti kha a chiang ani. Tu da news do le kan kal le ha lang. Let's go.
Breaking news coming in from West Asia, viewers. UAE is saying that it is responding to missile and drone threats coming in from Iran.
Iran lampang hianin missile le drone mangin Bahrain le UAE ka antum ni na langa chu UAE le Bahrain te lampang hianin an lo changlet ti maila kami Iran ina warning an pe mo be antum na ka an lo react ve ani engting en react kan ti chuan an air defense system te an lo activate ve anga.
The country's Ministry of Defense has told citizens that the sounds heard in scattered areas are the results of air defense systems intercepting ballistic missiles,
ballistic missiles
and drones.
Ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, le drones. Te hi Iran hianin UAE le Bahrain heng ral thom pathuman vakapani. Tuzu UAE le Bahrain te air defense system hianin lo intercept ve lo mai ne.
Just minutes ago, Bahrain had issued a similar statement. It said that alarm sirens have been activated while urging citizens and residents to remain calm and head to the nearest safe location.
Mun him lampan turin Bahrain sarkar te pon rammi puite te hianin warning an pe chhole ta ni. Tuna chonin February le March tha chho vela anin do tak lai ang boruak vela hanin kan le chhole tran do na ang riau mai tu na hi chuan mo news no le kan kal le ha lang.
Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. You're watching Beyond World is One. I'm Jyotsna Kumar. Let's begin with the headlines.
Headline masabi nga.
One Indian missing, 10 rescued after attack on commercial vessel off Oman coast. India condemns attack, says it's monitoring situation and coordinating with Omani authorities.
Oman rambul na ya long pakhathi Iran lampang hian lo ka pa sta chonin Mizoram an chan chuak to ani an vanei khop mai amaro chu India mi le sa mi pakhathi tuna hianin chin thret lawin ala omani hi India lampang hianin an dem thu India sarkar in dem thu tar langa India le Iran te poi inti chaviau chu ni amaro chu Iran hi chu an khir khop mai Strait of Hormuz na hi chuan mo kan thu berani ti lan tir hin tum top mai ni an thian ni mo thian ni lo mo ti chuanin India sarkar le Oman rama an sarkar te po hemi chungchanga hianin an thok ho mek ni in alang ani hi poi mo khop mai Iran lampang hianin ti hre an nei lo ti hi chiang chho zel ani ti chuanin adol le kan kal le nga lang
out strikes on Gulf countries. Qatar, the United Arab Emirates and Bahrain say
ni ti da mi tho khani Qatar hi Iran hian akapa khata hanin Qatar air defense system te chuanin Iran missile te zo lo intercept nge ya ama ero chu mi pathumin hliaman tur ni khatianga lo intercept na khan mo chung hliam zinga chuanin no pang tling lo batel ve pokani turu khop mai ni Iran hianin nei Bahrain Qatar te UAE te kap chhole pop maya hengram hi a hosan ani lo hengram hianin United States in sipai mun puya ne ya heng te Iran lampang hianin akapa ni tin US lampang po hian kap vezela tuna Iran in a Strait of Hormuz an ron khar po hi United States lampang hian in an kap le don ti chiang ni World Cup boruak na sa chho to ro pui mai sia final kan thling chho to do na tiang ani mek lai hian hi an lawin do chun zom le char to mai ni a boi kha khop mai khati zong kha tun chum news atan bi ka toy si kim siang kan han ri kan han soi zau thei chu ni ai video la kan hule theu do ni